Today, quick bits, we are going to discuss about operators. In any programming language, operator is more important because without operator, we can't do any mathematical calculation or any logical calculation. Even we can't do comparison, something like that. So we have a rich set of operators in Python too. We are going to see all those operators in today's session. Okay, so like other programming language, Python also has arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators, assignment operators, and identity operators, and membership operators. There are few operators which is probably different in Python. There is a double slash, and in arithmetic operator, double slash is going to give when do percentage will give a reminder, but this one will give a quotient of the division. There we can use this. The double star is kind of square operator. Comparison operator, the less than, greater than, equal, not equal, less than or equal, something like that. Logical operators we know, and bitwise operators, actually it will operate that bit values of the number instead of the whole number get operated. That way, this we rarely use in the business application development. Assignment operator, it's a combination of all the arithmetic and bitwise operator combined together. We have assignment operator. The identity operator is something which is new. Most of the modern languages, this is there. This trying to check as identical is something like that we can use. And membership operator, if there's a list, in that list, my member is there or not, something like that, which we can check. Probably we can see all those operate in a real quick program. Since we need to write a lot of code for each operator, already I written this code, the pre-existing code. Usually I write then and there, but this one will take a lot of time, so that's why I'll pre-written this code. We have two operands. There is the number one having number as a 10, number two variable having number as a 3. So here I'm doing arithmetic operator, which is actually doing all the arithmetic calculations. Okay, first I'll run arithmetic operator program, then we'll comment this and then run remaining program. See, in this arithmetic operator, yes, quotient is written in this operation, and this is a power operator like that. And and comment on logical operator, we can see, or I can uncomment everything so that I can explain together. Okay, I'm going to run this program. Oh, sorry, bitwise operator, this is a command. Okay. See here. First, I will see the comparison operator. It's comparing whether greater than true or not, less than is false, something like that. And if you do the logical operating to, this is actually number one is greater than 10 is false. That is the reason both are false. That's the reason it's false. And OR operator also both are false. It's the reason false. Both false actually written a not operator become a true. Same thing like in a bitwise operator, suppose this has a 10. 10 means its number is 1010 and 3 means 0011. So when I do bitwise operator of AND, so the common, wherever the common 1 is there become 1. So only 2 is having a common 1. So that's the reason output is 2. When you are trying to do OR operation, just actually wherever the 1 is there, so it's become 11. So like that, it will display. In identical operator, this is actually the assignment operator with certain assignment operator along with the plus. That's for returning 13. So here, type 1 is a int. Yes, type I mean number 1 is type is int. That is the reason returning true. Here membership operator, whether is there inside this, it's true. That is the reason it is returning true. Even actually I written more lot of code, but I didn't cover most, I mean few operators. You guys can try out the operator which I didn't cover here. Thanks for your time. We can see more programs in Python in upcoming session. Thank you. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.